It's a country blues, and I started 10 years ago with this project of collecting songs from different countries, and in the beginning it was more folky, then I changed, but with this new instrument called banjo-lele, it goes well, and I learned it from Doc Boggs, an old 30s banjo player. It's called Lost Love Blues. I lost my darling true love, and now I'm growing old. My pockets are all empty of both silver and gold. While my money lasted, you gave my heart ease, but since I have nothing, you court who you please. I am heartbroken and lonely, no one can take your place. Everywhere I chance to look, I can see your smiling face. Your eyes, they shine like diamonds, your cheeks are like the rose. The way I love you, darling girl, great God in heaven knows. If I had a path to glory, and it did not read for two, I would trade it all for your true love and stay on earth with you. Don't shed a tear, my darling, as the daisy army grows. Just decorate my lonesome grave with a wilted, faded rose. Your eyes, they shine like diamonds, your cheeks are like the rose. The way I love you, darling girl, great God in heaven knows. If I had a path to glory, and it did not read for two, I would trade it all for your true love and stay on earth with you. Don't shed a tear, my darling, as the daisy army grows. Just decorate my lonesome grave with a wilted, faded rose. Just decorate my lonesome grave with a wilted, faded rose. And that's all. Thank you.
Pričevanja ostarelega sukača plošč.
Ja, kako je to lepo, ko vidim punkse na partijih.
Afterparty. Termin za neukrotljiva ušesa in neustavljiva telesa.
Svojo prikupno ilustrirano godbo nam bo tokrat sluh obarvala ekskluzivna gostja z Portugalske Rita Braga. Vi pa ušesa priključite v torek 13. oktobra okoli 10. dopoldan.
When I close my eyes, I see you. When the evening falls, I sigh. Here where I live, there are no stars, but the cars makes the city go alive.